Welcome to The Explainer. If you're a broadcast manager, listen up, because the next 5 years are going to define your station's future. Today, we're breaking down a strategic guide on how to not just survive, but absolutely dominate by boosting your growth, building unshakable listener loyalty, and unlocking some serious new revenue. All right, so the report kicks off with this really bold statement. Radio isn't dying, it's evolving. And, for managers who are really paying attention, this isn't some crisis. It's a massive opportunity to completely redefine the game. So, the big question is, how do you actually seize that opportunity? Well, this guide, it gives you the blueprint, and it's all built on 3 essential pillars that, honestly, every station manager out there needs to master. Okay, first things first. Let's get the lay of the land. And look, we're not just talking about a few small tweaks here. This is about a massive, fundamental shift in the whole business of broadcasting, for real. So what's the bottom line here? It's pretty simple, actually. Adapting to all this new tech and these market shifts, that's not optional anymore. That's just the baseline for survival now, and it's the launchpad for any real growth. The opportunity is just sitting right there for you. All right, on to Pillar 1. You've got to master your market. This whole thing starts with a really simple but, profound truth. That old one-size-fits-all strategy, it's a recipe for disaster these days. You absolutely have to know your playground. Yeah, this slide, this is where we really get to the heart of it, breaking down the game plan by market. So in a packed urban market, right, you've got to stand out. In the suburbs, it's all about those commuters and local shops. And out in rural areas, man, you're the heart of the community. Every single one of these needs a totally different game plan. And check this out. Here's the payoff. The data's showing that urban stations, when they do this right, when they merge their broadcast with a real, solid digital strategy, they can see advertiser retention skyrocket by 40 to 60%. I mean, that's not just growth, people. That's building a fortress for your business. Okay, let's talk about Pillar 2, diversify your dollars. This one gets right to the financial core of your business. We're talking about getting off that crazy roller coaster of traditional ad spots and instead building multiple, stable ways to bring in money. And the report is super clear on this. If your station is only leaning on those old-school spot ads, you are just so vulnerable. Think about it. Digital competitors, economic downturns, they can pull the rug right out from under you in a heartbeat. So here is a huge opportunity. You can become a real cultural force in your community. I mean, think about it. Station-produced concerts, festivals, events for local businesses. Suddenly, you're not just a radio station anymore, you're an experience creator. You're a brand that people actually want to be a part of. And you know what? The numbers on this are seriously compelling. The research shows that just one single well-run event can pull in up to $250,000. That is an absolute game changer for any station's bottom line. So the big idea, the main takeaway here, is to start seeing all of your assets. You've got studios, right? You've got amazing production talent. You've got a brand that the local community trusts. You even have a physical tower. All of these things can be turned into moneymakers, from premium podcasts and digital subscriptions, all the way to leasing out space on that tower. Okay, last but not least, let's hit Pillar 3, upgrading your infrastructure. This is the nuts and bolts, the technical foundation that makes all the other stuff we've talked about even possible. Because let's be real, you just can't build a 21st century media company on 20th century tech. It won't work. And wow, this image, it just perfectly captures that shift. The focus isn't just on the tower and the transmitter anymore. It's moving to the server rack, to the cloud. And what that means is your modern broadcast engineer, they've got to be an IT and digital media expert now too. Okay, so the guide points out this really game-changing synergy here. They actually call it the power couple. So with HD radio, you can literally create brand new channels like an HD2 or an HD3 right on your existing frequency. And then you use these low-cost FM translators to pump those new digital channels out onto the good old analog FM dial so everybody can hear them. Now, listen up, because this is a critical takeaway. What this means is you can basically create a whole cluster of stations from just one license. You can go after completely new audiences, new advertisers, all without having to spend millions of dollars on a new signal. It's like the ultimate market growth hack. So, okay, those are the 3 big pillars, but the full guide, man, it goes so much deeper. It lays out a complete action plan that pretty much covers the whole strategic landscape. The full roadmap, you can see the outline here, it covers 10 key areas. So yeah, It starts with the pillars we just talked about, market differentiation, revenue, and infrastructure. But then it dives super deep into the nitty-gritty details, things like FM translator strategies, how to navigate the FCC's rules, and how to find and develop the engineering talent you need to make it all work. And it doesn't stop there. The roadmap keeps going. It tackles how to innovate for your advertisers, how to build real community engagement, and, this is huge, it gives you a step-by-step plan to basically future-proof your entire operation. It's the whole playbook, right here. If you only remember one thing from all this, it should probably be this quote right here. The whole philosophy boils down to balance. It's about customizing what you put on the air for your specific community, but running the business side of things, the behind-the-scenes stuff, with universal, rock-solid excellence. Every time. So, there you have it. This guide lays out the blueprint for a future that's both resilient and profitable. The roadmap is crystal clear. The only question left, really, is the one you see on your screen right now. Which pillar are you going to build first? Thanks for tuning in.